Tayuma, malabanan, wala sa pwesto, almost scores though. Here's Eliza, and gets it off the hands of Malabanan, as only Eliza Valdez can do. Amazing showing by Eliza Valdez, but Ateneo dodged the bullet. Ang ganda ng habol ng FEU. They tied it up, but Ateneo just put on the pressure sa dulo to come away with set number 1. Here's our shake and play. Pataasan ng volleyball IQ laban.
Tama.
Eliza Valdez. Eliza Valdez getting it done. Ateneo wins set number 1. Set number 2 sa aming pong pagbabalik. Dugo, of course, wearing the iconic number 13 of Denden Lazaro. Heather Ginoo. Blocked by Ahumiro. Negrito sends it up. Ginoo tries to drop it in. Tan. Eliza. Ginoo. Dug up by De Jesus. Free ball from Valdez. Malabanan nagulat. Valdez. Long rally. Negrito cannot save it. After all of that, Ateneo takes set number 2 by 11 points. 25-14. Kaya pa kaya ito ng FEU? Can they still stay undefeated? As we take a look at our shake and play. Eliza, may power pero yun na nga, masama lang talaga ang paghabol doon ng FEU. Third set when we return. Stay with us right here on GMA News TV. Maraguinot. Better defense now by FEU. Back set, Gonzaga. Maraguinot, yes! And at long last, Ateneo finally puts the pesky FEU squad away in the third set, 25-18. So Ateneo remains undefeated and they will be the number 1 team in the league, regardless already of what happens in their final assignment. But they will be the number 1 team in the league. Here's our shake and play right now with Joanna Maraguinot putting it away for the Lady Eagles. We'll be back to wrap it up after these. Straight sets win for Ateneo to stay undefeated dito po sa ating quarterfinals as we send it down to Crystal Bachelor with our shaky player of the game na may kasama. Go ahead, Crystal.
Bisita pa. So, saang aspeto kayo ng laban na hirapan kahit na 3 sets lang?
I think, syempre hirapan kami sa pagiging consistent as a team kasi kailangan, nag-adjust kami as a team talaga kasi yung blocking namin, defense namin, adjust din namin kasi yung, nag-adjust talaga kami so nahirapan kami maging consistent throughout the game.
Pero gayon pa man, meron pa ba kayo na-feel na pressure to remain undefeated?
Wala naman po. Siguro lang. Kailangan lang namin gawin yung laro namin. Kailangan lang namin yun nga, pagtrabuhan yung consistency.
Thank you so much. And of course, you are our Shakey's player of the game. You will receive a box of pizza from Shakey's. So, gusto ko bang batiin?
Hi sa family ko, sa friends ko, sa mga prof ko, tsaka sa family ng teammates ko. Hi Papa Nirang, hi!
Thank you so much and congratulations, Ateneo. Back to you.